Hello there everyone. Welcome to our session on looking at exercise 7C, just to help you out so we can finish this chapter. I've chosen a couple of questions as examples for you to show you how to do them. So question 6, and I start with the table from the textbook. Now just be careful here. We've got to be looking at which percent column and which period. For example, the 3% column, if that intersects with 8 periods, we're looking at a number of 8.892. So the first thing we've got to do is work out the interest, second, the number of periods, and then we multiply. So here's our question. $600 per month for 4 months at 18% per annum compounded monthly. So with a monthly compound, we have to divide the 18% by 12 because there's 12 months in a year. That gives us 18 divided by 12 is 1.5% per month. So that's our interest rate. So we've got to have to look at the 1.5% column. And with the question, that means we'd be looking at monthly. There are 4 months, so the number of periods is 4. And we have to find then the intersection of the 1.5% column and the 4 periods, which is 4.091. Finally, when we've got that intersection, we multiply it by how much the contribution is, which in this case is $600. So let's do that. And we get a future value of $2,454.50 after contributing $600 per month for 4 months at 18% per annum. There's your answer. Second question. Same table. This time, part D, $11,000 per quarter for 9 months at 4% per annum compounded quarterly. So again, interest rate. 4% per annum compounded quarterly. There's 4 of them in a year per annum. So 4% divided by 4 is 1% per quarter. Then that's our column, 1%. Now with the quarterly, that's 3 months. So each period is 3 months. And with 9 months, that means there's 3 periods. So we're looking for the intersection of 1% column and the 3 periods, which is 3.030. Once we've found that, we multiply it by the contribution, which is $11,000, and we end up with a future value of $33,330, which we get after contributing $11,000 per quarter for 9 months. There's our answer. So that's question 6, 2 examples. Next is question 8. This one is a bit different, so we have to look carefully. Have the same sort of table. We have the percent columns and the end of year periods. Let's have a look at the question. Using the table, find a payment per period this time of an annuity whose future value is. So we've got the future value. We need to work backwards. Here's the question. It's $165,000, which is the future value, 5% per annum, compounded annually for 4 years. So we don't need to work out the percent column because it tells us compounded annually is 5%. So it's the 5% column, and the end of year is 4. So we're looking at, all right, here we go. The question is not asking for future value, it's asking for payment per period. Very important to remember. We're working backwards, so instead of multiplying, we divide. Intersection of 5% and 4 periods is 4.3101, as I said. So now we do dividing. 165,000, which is the future value, divided by our 4.3101, gives us a payment per period of $38,282.17. Now there's 3 examples from exercise 7C. Now, on your own for homework, the rest of question 6, parts B, C, E, F, G, H and I, and the rest of question 8, parts A, B, C and D. Good luck, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.